Hey everyone, Michael Ryan from ProCam Rentals here to quickly go over the dimensions, weights, and ranges of the Griffin Dynamics GD-28X heavy lifter drone. The dimensions of the drone from propeller tip to propeller tip are 83 inches long by 83 inches wide by 50 inches tall. Flight times vary between 18 and 23 minutes depending on what level of maneuvering you're going to be doing with the drone. The aircraft's empty weight is 26 pounds. Power requires 4 approximate 4-pound batteries, another 17 pounds, and it can carry a payload of 27 pounds. Now, in terms of performance and limitations, it has a cruise speed of 35 knots, which is about 40 miles an hour, and it can operate in temperatures between 23 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a maximum range of 2 miles visual line of sight and can work in wind resistance up to 16 knots or 18 miles an hour. Now, I've provided the direct link to this equipment on ProCam's website, where you can get further details and download a PDF of these technical specs for your file. While you're there, make sure to check out all the stabilized remote heads, telescopic cranes, mobile bases, drones, specialty equipment, and cinema accessories ProCam offers. Also, right on the homepage are 2 great PDF resources I recommend you download: ProCam's product catalog and the Tech Scout grid to help you quickly compare equipment specs on your Scouts. Hope this helps, and have a great production.